Here's a little quick overview of the different courses here. This is the 4-piece mini kit. The half kit, 6-piece. Now here I've got the full kit, the 12-piece. This is set up as 3x4. This is the same kit, set up as 2x6 instead. Both of those are exactly the same, set up very differently. The bridge kit here, 6-piece, 1 flat, 5 textured, and then this is our 20-piece kit over here. This bridge kit and 20-piece work really well together. They slide up next to each other and both line up real well with each other. Now this is the gray texture, and this is our fossil rock texture. This is another bridge kit in the fossil rock, and then a 4-piece kit here in the natural rock as well. Comparison of all the different setups available there.